Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The solubility of carboxylic acids in water depends on their ability to form hydrogen bonds with water and the ratio of the hydrophilic -2 groups to hydrophobic carbon chain or aromatic ring portions of the molecule. Moving on to the next step. Phthalic acid, benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid, aromatic, 2 groups, large hydrophobic ring. Succinic acid, hook CH2CH2 4 carbons, 2 groups, ratio 2:4C. Malonic acid, hook CH2 3 carbons, 2 groups, ratio 2:3C, only 1 CH2 between 2 Cu. Salicylic acid, 2-hydroxybenzoic acid, aromatic ring, 1 Cu, 1 O, large hydrophobic component. Moving on to the next step. Malonic acid has the highest ratio of hydrophilic groups, -Cu, to hydrophobic carbon atoms among the options. With only one CH2 group flanked by 2 Cu groups, the molecule is predominantly hydrophilic. Succinic acid has 2 carbons in the chain between the 2 Cu groups, making it less hydrophilic per unit mass than malonic acid. Phthalic acid and salicylic acid contain benzene rings, which are hydrophobic and significantly reduce water solubility. And for the final step, malonic acid solubility, -139 g/100 ml at 20 degrees Celsius. Succinic acid solubility, -8 g/100 ml at 25 degrees Celsius. Phthalic acid solubility, -0.6 g/100 ml at 20 degrees Celsius. Salicylic acid solubility, -0.2 g/100 ml at 20 degrees Celsius. Phthalic acid, large aromatic hydrophobic ring, greatly reduces solubility. Succinic acid, longer carbon chain than malonic acid, lower hydrophilic ratio. Salicylic acid, aromatic ring dominates, very low solubility. Malonic acid, having the smallest hydrocarbon portion relative to its 2 carboxylic acid groups, forms the most hydrogen bonds per unit of hydrophobic character, giving it the highest water solubility among the choices. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.